Four of them, the children of the Indian commander of the Creek Volunteers in Florida. New Orleans newspaper wrote, "The fearful responsibility for this vast sacrifice."
Can you read it? What are you doing? Unbelievable. Is he there? Has he gone? He's there. Now, can we get his registration number off camera? Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh, an idiot.
Fuck you, you dumb shit. Ah! 713. You're fine.
Like, stay in your fucking lane! Fucking moron, Punjabi, fuck
Prince
you!
Coffee will want a hand, you fuck little bitch. fucking done.
Here's the situation. This is on Edge Lane. Near Edge Lane, Liverpool road rage situation. The man in the van is very angry, very angry. He's following the car in front. At this occasion, he got out of the car, and he tried to start fighting with the woman, with 2 kids in the car. At the end, we will tell you the full name of the company. As you can see, they should be named and shamed. And as we approach the roundabout near Wavertree Industrial Estate, the one overtaking the wrong lane, as you can see, and he forcibly stopped the car in front, which was the woman. One more time I need to say that it's a woman with 2 kids in the car. And then he got out of the car for the second time and making threats to the lady. At this point he's inside the one. So we're trying to get through, but not possible. You will see better situation right now. See how he stopped? And he's shouting and making threats through the window. And soon as I overtake the car on the left, at that point I'll check my mirror. And at this point he's getting out of the van. And he's making threats to the woman.